Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video I would like to show you text functions that may be useful in your Excel workbooks. For example, we have the names of prominent American writers. We have two columns, name and surname. And for example, we need to put their full name here in this column E. How to do this correctly? There is two options exactly how to do this. The first option is that we can use ampersand, and second option to use TEXTJOIN function. Let's try. For example, Ernest Hemingway. I'll show it to you here below. Okay. We should go to the first cell, B4. After that, put here ampersand, space between name and surname, again ampersand, and C4 cell. Press OK. Ernest Hemingway. We have it. Next option is to use TEXTJOIN function. Let's do this. TEXTJOIN. After that, we should mention here delimiter. Our delimiter is going to be the space between the name. And we have to put here true or false in case whether we would like to ignore empty cells or we wouldn't like. We need to ignore. Let's choose true. After that, to point what text we should use. We will be using B5, and next cell that we have to combine is the cell C5 and close parentheses. Press OK. William Faulkner. Yes, that's good. Okay. The second example that I want to show you is that, for example, we have some emails of these writers. These emails are fictional, so don't think that you will send some information to them. And for example, we need to send one letter to all these writers, but at first we have to put all these emails in one list. We can do this also using TEXTJOIN function. Let me show you how to do this. Let's put here TEXTJOIN. TEXTJOIN. After that, we should point delimiter. Delimiter is going to be comma between our emails. After that, true, ignore empty cells. And choose the range where our emails are present, from B3 cell to B16. And close parentheses. Press OK. Now, as you can see, all emails are written in one line with comma between them. Good. Use it, and I will show you the next steps. Okay. Another example I would like to show you is how to use trim function. For example, we have some text. Meanwhile, this text was taken from one of the poems of the writers that I presented you before. And we have a lot of spaces between the words. Yeah, my father, space, 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 gave me some advice. Here, this space, here, here. It's not looking very nice, and we need to remove it. Let's use trim function. Right here, trim. And let's point which cell we need to trim. Yeah, which cell should be trimmed. Cell B2, where the whole text is present. What we can see, my father gave me some advice. There is enough space between the words, only one space, and this function works. Super! Another example, what if we have the list of programs and they are written from the lower letter? All the letters are low, yeah? How to do this to make the upper letter? We should use upper function. It is named like this, upper. And to show in Excel which cell we need to use. B3. Drag it down. The same operation we can make vice versa. Let's copy it. Values. And let's do this the same for making these letters low. We have to put low and choose the text. Now they're low. Okay, good. Use it. Okay, another option. Let's get back to the sheet 1. What if we have the names that are written in a lowercase? Yeah, Ernest Hemingway with lowercase. How to do this with uppercase? We have such function. It is named proper. I will leave the same, yes, as it was combined previously. And what we need to do, we have to put here the word proper. Oops. Proper. Open parentheses and close. Perfect. Let's drag it down. Yes, all names already are now in uppercase. Good. In this example, I would like to show you what if we have some date of birth, and for example, we have to remove the day and month and leave only the year. In this case, we should use the write function. Let's put here write. Choose the text and the number of jars that we have to put. We have to calculate from the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's put here 4 and close. 2003. Okay. Drag it down. Good. Use it and have fun. Well, I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Bye-bye.